Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin a post on Reddit application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Reddit application if you don't have it on your phone. If you do have it, ignore that. If you don't, you can go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other possible store you could be using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. That's of course if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, you can just ignore me again, log into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Reddit application as you should, of course. And here that will actually be your home screen. So if you would like to pin a post, you'd like to maybe have several posts on your profile. So if you want to post a post, let me show you how to do that. It's simply by clicking at the plus icon here at the bottom middle. And as you can see here, you would like to enter an interesting title. For me, I don't care about like people interacting with my post, so I'm just gonna type next here and maybe like post a text. So I'll just type here, have a good day. Then I would like to go and click at next, and here I would like to choose where to post that, and of course I'll choose here my profile. And of course you can turn off the not safe for work option or the spoiler option if your post one of those, so people like can actually be prepared, or maybe if they have the blur option available. So make sure if your post is not safe for work, make sure this is like that enabled, and make sure if your post is a spoiler to a movie, to a series, to an anime, make sure to of course enable this option as well. And if it's not one of those, just make them like in this gray, which is disabled. Then you would like to go and click on posts, and here I'll have, as you can see, posted in, and that's actually just my username on Reddit. So I'll just go to my profile by clicking at the top right corner icon. Then I would like to go and click at my profile here. So here, as you can see here, for me I have here 3 posts. So let me go and like pin this second post. As you can see, it's 3 days ago and it's appearing the second or the third post. So I would like it to be the first post. How can I do that? It's simply by clicking at the 3 like dots here, and as you can see here we just have 3 options, which is save, pin, which is save, share, and delete. So let me just go and actually enter the real post, and here I'll have another 3 dots at the top right corner, which is in the blue section. And as you can see here, you can like make it spoiler, make it like if you want to edit it here. So we just go back, and what you actually need to do is just go and click at the mode option, which is here the third option here at the right of the comments. If you click on that, here we will have an option called sticky posts. So if I click on that and go back now, if I want to refresh, let me just go and refresh here. As you can see now, it's appearing as the first post. That means I actually pinned this post. And if you see, I'll have a green icon at the top right of the corner of the post. That means I'm actually pinning this post. And of course, if I want to unpin the post, just go and do the same. Click at the post, click at mode, and click at and sticky posts. And if I go back now, of course, if I refresh, it will go to the place that it was there. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.